In this video we will teach you what an orgonite towerbuster is, and how to make one. Orgonite towerbusters are small, sometimes decorative orgone constructs that are made to purify the energy around them. They are comprised of alternating layers of ferromagnetic and non-ferromagnetic material that attracts negative energy, cleanses it, and projects it back out. This effect is not as concentrated as the organometer, and not as strong as the cloudbuster, but they can reduce stress and make better grounds for the cloudbuster by giving it better energy to work with. For comparison, imagine the cloudbuster as a galleon, and the orgonite devices being the wind. They are also reported by Organize Africa to reduce EMF pollution from towers, without obstructing people's internet connections. If you are intent on using these devices, I'm placing a formal disclaimer here. We advise against littering with orgonite devices. Do not place these on public property, or private that isn't your own. Now on to how to create them. You will need 6 quartz crystals about 1 inch, 500 ml of clear cast resin, muffin pans, 600 grams of copper filing, 10 ml of activator, 1 bucket, wax and a cloth, a 500 ml measuring cup, a stick for stirring, gloves, and optionally a pigment if you want to make yours look pretty. While you do this, store them somewhere they are safe from the rain, but make sure you have clear ventilation. With all of these collected, let the assembly commence. Wax the muffin pans. Add 50 grams of copper filing. Shaking the pans will help even them out. Add a small quartz crystal into each of the pans. Add the other 50 grams of filings and press lightly so that they are level. Pour 500 ml of resin. The resin and activator are mixed together in different quantities. The percentage is recommended by the manufacturer on the item. Follow the instructions given alongside the resin you selected. Stir the catalyst and resin until they are well mixed. Your next step, which is critical to the process, is to hit the subscribe button. Once mixed, this is the best time to add the coloured pigment if you are using it. Pour the resin until all filings are covered. You may notice bubbles as it sinks. Stir lightly to remove air. Wait for them to harden, around 1 hour depending on the temperature. Remove from the metal tray and tap lightly to remove excess resin. You can use sandpaper if you wish. With that, your towerbusters are complete and ready for action. Placing them around your CB is a great way to power it. If you enjoyed this video, consider sharing and checking out our Cloudbuster playlist. And if you want us to be able to further research the Cloudbuster, consider joining our Patreon. A world of secrets awaits you. Hello my acolytes. It feels good to release another Cloudbuster based video as the subject has single-handedly carried this channel for a long while now. If you're interested in learning more about the Cloudbuster, consider checking out our documentary on the Cloudbusters of Africa, the unseen side of the Sahara. If you want to ask me personally, consider checking out the Above Below show, a great place that has hosted me on their podcasts for over a year now. Thanks for over 2,000 watch hours, and good luck with your assembly.